Looking for the best dental floss to keep your teeth and gums healthy? We've tested and reviewed top options to help you find the perfect one for your needs. From strong, shred-resistant floss to eco-friendly picks, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover the best choices for a cleaner, healthier smile. Number 1. Coco Floss Coconut Oil Dental Floss. Coco Floss Dental Floss worked wonders during testing when getting plaque and food out of our teeth. It stood out for its grippy, slightly sponge-like texture, unlike any floss we've used before. Thanks to the unique interwoven fibers that make it up, this floss did a superb job of grabbing any stuck particles from between our teeth. The texture also made it easier to hold while flossing compared to other options we've tried. This vegan floss stands out from the rest because it's coated in coconut oil, which is naturally antibacterial. Experts also highly recommend it. Dr. Becker and Dr. Parul D. Makar, DDS, founder of PDM Family Dental, both appreciate that this dentist-created female-founded floss is eco-friendly, comes in a wide variety of flavors, and really allows you to feel the difference in mouth cleanliness after use. Number 2. Listerine Ultraclean Access Flosser Starter Kit. A floss pick design like the Listerine Ultraclean Access Flosser is great for those who have trouble reaching their back teeth. This flosser is about as long as a pencil, making it easy to get into those typically hard-to-reach places. Using it made our daily flossing feel more effective and thorough. We found this flosser's reusable handle comfortable to hold, and changing out the flosser heads was straightforward. The floss itself is not too thick, so it glides between teeth with no issue, and we never experienced it breaking. We occasionally struggled with snapping the floss heads onto the handle, but not often enough for it to impact our overall experience during testing. Number 3. The Humble Co. Plant-Based Floss Picks. Our kids loved the fun, unique dinosaur shape of the Humble Co. Kids Plant-Based Floss Picks enough that it made them actually want to floss their teeth. These picks did a great job of removing plaque and food particles, too. They're perfect for kids to use independently and comfortable for child-sized hands. We even used them ourselves a few times and were impressed. These picks never irritated our receding sensitive gums like some floss can. The floss glided nicely between teeth and didn't have trouble getting stuck. It is soft and durable, and it never frayed or broke. Unlike 100% plastic toothpicks, these teeth and gum floss picks include plant-based disposable materials to help minimize the stress on our environment while still offering superior oral and gum care. Number 4. Floss Electric Flosser Starter Kit. The Floss Electric Flosser is a unique pick on our list. While it functions as a normal floss pick, it also vibrates to do a little extra work for you and provide a deeper clean. Plaque is like the sticky residue on the top of a stove, explains Dr. Alice Hong, DMD, FAGD, FICOI, AADSM, qualified dentist, co-founder of Brooklyn Mint Dental. One swipe won't clean it sufficiently. It needs a little back and forth with some elbow grease. With this pick, the vibrations help get that extra work in without all the effort. While this device may sound fancy, it's very user-friendly. You just attach the flosser head and choose your vibration intensity. The vibrating function of this flosser gives gums a gentle massage as you floss, making flossing a little bit easier than manually threading traditional floss between your teeth. There are 3 vibration options to customize your experience. This isn't the most comfortable choice for those with tight spaces between their teeth because the floss is a bit thick. Silky Shred-Resistant Floss is free of BPA, parabens, SLS, PFAS, and PFOS. Number 5. Reach Wax Dental Floss. We loved how good of a job Reach Wax Dental Floss did at removing plaque from between our teeth without any extra work on our part. Dr. Makar recommends this floss because it doesn't shred and glides easily between teeth due to the waxed surface. We found both true during testing and appreciated that the wax made this a durable and non-irritating choice. This is a fairly simple, no-fuss floss that gets the job done. Plus, the minty flavor is refreshing and leaves our mouth feeling clean. The waxed texture of this floss may make it difficult for children or people with limited dexterity to use, since it's a bit slippery.